set up the camera. Our drug dealer van in action. Tesla. Oh. So Luke was like,
I can tell that this is not the first time this van has been used
for selling drugs.
to move somebody.
To move children.
Take a walk with your ultraviolets that fill my soul. Your ultraviolet, and every time I know the truth, speaking one way between me and you.
Can I leave my head up?
Swallow this song to serenade the ultraviolets all along. She knows everything there is to know, and of course she does. Just smiling.
What are you doing?
Just trying to fit the last lone soldier in its box. Good thing I was a gymnast growing up. There we go.
All right.
And she's all packed up. Duncan's turn to put it in the box.
That's what she said.
You nasty. Right, let's close her up. Ooh. See ya. Oh no, guys, it's the worst.
How low can you go?
It's the desperate people. Me ain't desperate, bestie.
Stay out of my arm.
Dunks! My bestie. In a Tessie.
You're ultraviolet anyway, and every time I know the truth.
Bang.
Get in, bit. We're going to therapy. Beep, beep. Yeah, but if it goes there, and then...
Oh, getting cozy, Duncan.
Hi, how you doing?
How you doing? It's in Dutch.
Is this the shady?
Hi! Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
I'm Duncan.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You guys didn't meet. Duncan wasn't at the Scheveningen party,
Oh yeah.
but he was at the other party.
I was at the other party.
Because I had two.
Too many
'cause I'm-
parties.
What you doing in the van, girl?
What? You already know.
Mm-hmm.
You don't even gotta ask twice. But actually, okay, got it. I
Woo!
was like, if I fucking left it. Squats.
Jump. Nice.
My parents watching the vlog. Like, what are you doing?
Now I'm stuck.
Oh no. Watch out the handle of the thingy. Okay. Oh, jump. Oh.
Small end.
Getting on this.
You get on there.
Okay. If you insist.
Last time it was here.
Just say you little.
Yeah, I'm 12. Dunks.
So-
Vidushi. I can't see if you're on camera.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're on there.
Like we're
54.
Where is 54?
Wait, who has my phone?
I have.
Oh. Make it wide.
Yeah.
Just that. Okay. And then, well, I mean, the mattress we have to pick up at the pickup place, right? Ooh, she's beautiful. Oh my god.
And the mirror too, right?
Yeah.
A gore.
Amazing. Thank you so much. You too. All right.
Well, there you go.
Home sweet home. Okay, do you guys need a drink that I just put in the fridge?
Oh, that sounds good.
How do I say I'm ready?
I've been feeling so
That's what you said. Guys, dream mirror.
no friends of mine around. Yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the jewel loose. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel.
Welcome ceremony. What is happening? Jeez. The crew. Sorry. Tired. Knackered. Peace.
When I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Okay, so today is the next day. I'm officially moved in. I slept here last night. Super excited. It was alright sleeping here. When we got here, there was like some type of wedding going on down there. So there was like a parade of cars just like honking non-stop. And I think I got a bit of that on camera. But yeah, someone said it was like a Turkish wedding, one of my neighbors said. The sun, I have a west facing apartment, so the sun is in here like most of the day, which is nice, even on the gloomiest days, because I visited this place twice before I decided on it, and no, sorry, once before I decided on it, but it was raining like terribly, so I got to see it on like the darkest of days, and it still was very bright and airy, which I really like, and you can't really find in most studios, because like I've probably mentioned before, a lot of the studios in Amsterdam, or in general I guess, are just like squares. So I'm very happy that I found this studio, because it really just like fits me so well. But anyways, I thought I would just update you on the mess that we have right now. I don't have any like drawers or anything yet, so I'm currently just using one clothing rack and everything else is on the floor. So this is like my mess section. But yeah, let me show you exactly what I mean. So this is like, it's pretty set up. This won't be my study space, but until I get a desk, this will be my study space or my working space. And then my friends Vidushi and Duncan, they like did that. So I was cooking them lunch after we set up the tables yesterday. I cooked them lunch and I was just like, guys, just sit down, like we're tired. Like I didn't notice what was happening behind me as I was cooking, and they were like unpacking literally almost everything for me. So sweet. So all of my plants are here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep all of that there. Maybe when I get like bookshelves in, then I will definitely move things around. As you know, this is my mirror from Facebook Marketplace in Utrecht, and I actually quite like it here. Like if I take a mirror selfie here, like the plants in the window, it's a vibe. Like it's so nice, and maybe you can even get like a little green chair. But anyways, I love like the plants in the reflection, and look at the sunlight, which I mean, yum. This is just one of my plants that really need sunlight, so I put her there for now. My mattress is still currently on the floor. I will get a low bed frame for it, which is coming in this week. And then this is the masterpiece that we've created. We were joking around and saying that this looks like a contemporary art installment at a museum, or at an art gallery perhaps. yeah, like I said, clothing. There's like a box of just accessories. Like, that's what the beauty products that I use on the daily, so I've just laid that there. So yeah, when I got ready in the morning, I used those. Suitcase is still packed. My prints need to go somewhere, but basically this is a whole show. But yeah, that's fun. But look, also a bird like shat on my window, which apparently is good luck because I posted it on Instagram and people are like, oh hey, that's good luck. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my move-in vlog. I had such an experience. Oh my god, did I even like show you the bowls that I got? This is like big girl money moves right here. Look at these beautiful plates. And I got a set of 6 of them, as if I have 6 friends. I also got matching bowls. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. Look at that. And the inside shimmers like that. Wow. Okay. Anywho, this was supposed to be an outro. Okay, like I was saying, thank you so much for watching my move-in vlog. I will try to post more like apartment updates and just living in Amsterdam as an expat updates and things like that. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, enjoy the rest of your month, and have a nice one.